We are 5 months into the year and we are on pace to take the practice from 12 million to 26 million by the end. And I said to him, he said, I want to double in the next 12 months. And I said, what is your top line revenue? He said, $12 million. So I said, okay. I said, how much of that do you produce? He said, about 1.7 million. It's a pretty good chunk of that. And I said, you want to do whatever it takes to double in the next 12 months? And he goes, I'm going to do anything it takes. I said, great. I need you to remove yourself out of the dental chair in 2 weeks.
Yep.
And he was like, what? I said, I need you to be out of the dental chair in 2 weeks. But here's the thing. So we're recording this on May 20th. That conversation happened, I think, December. So he got out of the dental chair on whatever, it was January 1st when he was officially out of the dental chair. By the way, we removed him out of the dental chair. We never lost $1 in revenue. We actually increased revenue to the highest points it had ever been. So we replaced him within 30 days, his revenue within 30 days, which he thought was impossible to do. And we are 5 months into the year and we are on pace to take the practice from 12 million to 26 million by the end.
When I decided to take myself out of the chair or to dial things back significantly, not be the primary provider, what it meant was I could work on the practice instead of working in the practice. And that really was one of the things that changed everything for me. First, you go from being an engineer to being a manager to then like being a true leader. And it's hard to be a true leader when you're in the trenches doing all the heavy lifting as a clinical dentist every day.
It's helping him understand that now, obviously there's key moves that had to be made inside the practice from an execution standpoint to make that happen.
But he couldn't have done it if he was seeing patients 30 hours a week.
He could have done it. Or if he had said, well, let me do it over the next 4 years and I'll take myself back an hour here and an hour there. I said, it's not going to work. Like you're not going to be focused on what I need you to focus on. But it speaks to the potentiality of what is possible if you're looking at this the right way and say, look, I want something different for my life.